I've been exploring Lowe's app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of Lowe's app. First, let's talk about what the Lowe's app actually offers. This is a shopping app designed for homeowners, DIYers, and pros who want to browse and buy from Lowe's without walking the aisles in person. You can search thousands of products, check prices and availability at your preferred store, and even see aisle and shelf info, so you know exactly where to find something when you get there. It's available on iPhone and iPad, and the interface has recently been updated with a more modern, immersive design tailored for the latest iOS versions. Now, let's talk about the standout features. The app lets you set a preferred store, see local inventory, and use mobile check-in for pickup orders, which is genuinely convenient if you place a lot of online orders. There's an augmented reality view in your space option that lets you drop items like furniture or decor into your room using your camera, which can save you from buying the wrong size or style. Pros get an enhanced experience once they sign in with a pro account, including tools for managing jobs and orders. You also get quick access to weekly deals, ratings and reviews, community Q&A, and your order history all in one place. Of course, it's not all perfect. Despite the impressive 4.8-star rating from over 1.6 million reviews, users still report some frustrating issues, especially around order fulfillment and delivery. There are complaints about the app forcing in-store pickup when customers want delivery, orders being canceled because inventory wasn't actually found, and communication happening via email instead of timely notifications. The app can also feel heavy, with a relatively large download size and ongoing location usage that may impact battery life. So who is this app really for? If you regularly shop at Lowe's, especially for curbside pickup or big DIY projects, the app can make your life easier and give you better visibility into stock and deals. If you care about rock-solid order accuracy and flawless customer service, you may still want a backup plan or be ready to double-check items in store. Overall, it's a powerful tool for Lowe's shoppers, but your experience will depend a lot on how well your local store follows through on what the app promises. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.